In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Glide. Whether you're polishing a navigation tab, a list item, or a button, the right icon makes your app clearer and more professional. I'll walk you through the exact process from start to finish and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, go to Glide. Open your browser and head to the official Glide website. This ensures you're working in a secure environment and have access to the latest features. If you've bookmarked the site, that's perfect. Use that to get there quickly. Next, sign into your account. Use your normal login method and make sure you're accessing the workspace that contains the project you want to update. If you have multiple teams or workspaces, glance at the top of the dashboard to confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Now, open the project you want to edit. From the dashboard, click the app or page where you want to add or change an icon. Glide will load the builder interface. Give it a second if your project is large. Assets and data might take a moment to sync. Look to the right sidebar in the builder. This is where the component settings and screen options live. Find the label you're working with. This could be a tab name, a list item, or a component title, and click the icon that appears beside that label. If your window is narrow and you don't see the full sidebar, try expanding the browser or scrolling. The icon control is always attached to the item's label in this panel. A picker will open, and now you can choose an icon. Browse the categories or use the search field to quickly find something that matches the meaning of your label. Think clear and recognizable, like home, search, settings, or check. Consistency is key. Try to match the style you've used elsewhere in the app so everything feels cohesive. Select the icon, and you'll see the change reflected instantly in the preview. If an icon looks too busy at small sizes, try a simpler alternative for better readability. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This pushes your update live, so your users will see the new icon the next time they open the app. If you're collaborating with a team, a quick publish helps keep everyone aligned on visual changes. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.